Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Metamask portfolio. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar, you simply need to type portfolio.metamask.io. After that, you just have to connect your Metamask wallet with it, and then you will be landed on your dashboard. Now over here, you need to click on this buy button in the left hand section, and then you will be redirected on this page. Now in the top, it will show you the Metamask address that you have connected with Metamask portfolio. After that, you are going to see this country section. So if you click on it, you can select your country. After that, right next to it, it will automatically take the currency as per your country. Afterwards, you need to select the asset that you want to buy on MetaMask portfolio. In order to select it, you will have to click on this drop arrow button, and after that, it will show you all of the networks that are available. So you can change your network and you can purchase the associated cryptos on that network. After selecting the network, you will have to select the payment method. So if you click on this instant payment method option, it will show you a bunch of different payment methods like your debit or credit card or some bank transfer. So you just have to select any of the options that best suits you, and then you need to press continue. After that, you will have to enter the amount over here that you want to spend in order to buy cryptos on MetaMask portfolio. Afterwards, in the right hand side, you are going to see a bunch of different codes. So you just have to select the one that best suits you. As you can see over here that I have Revolut and MoonPay over here, so you can select any of these. After selecting it, you will have to press continue with that particular provider that you have selected, and then you will have to click on continue. Afterwards, you will be landed on the official website of that particular provider that you have selected. So over here, you just have to provide your email address, and then you just have to create your password if you haven't already an account on that platform, and then you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to conclude your payment. Now once the payment is done successfully, you will be able to see your asset in your MetaMask portfolio, and you can even see the overview of it on this dashboard. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.